Let's look at logarithms today. So this equation is y equals a to the x is the same as log to the same base, so log to the base a of y equals x. Let's look at a few rules here. Log to the base a of m plus log to the base a of n equals log to the base a mn. Let's plug in a few numbers. Let's say 5 for instance. 5 is 5 plus log to the base 5 of 3 equals log to the base a 5 times 3, same as log to the base, this is not 8, this is 5, to the base 5 of 15. And we can't simplify that down further. So another rule is log to the base a of m minus log to the base a of n equals log to the base a m over n. Let's say 10 for instance, and base 5 minus log to the base 10 of 2 equals log to the base 10 5 over 2. Another one here, log to the base a of a equals 1. Because if you look at this one, because a to the 1 equals a, that's why a to the power of 1 equals a, that's why. And log to the base a of 1 always equals 0. Because if you put a to the power of 0, that number is 1. So guys, today we'll be looking at a few questions from 5e. So this one is expressed in log form. Okay, and these are a few questions here. So 2 to the power of 5 equals 32. And another one is 0.001 equals 10 to the negative 3. Okay, we know the log has the same base, so log to the base 2. And this answer, 32, equals 5. Log to the same base, 10. And then this answer, which is 0.001, equals negative 3. And express in indices form. Log to the base 7 of 343 equals 3. Another one is log to the base 3 of 1 over 9 equals negative 2. And then to put this into indices form, we just have the same base to this power, 3. And then the answer, 343. And the same for this one, so 3 to the negative 2 equals 1 over 9. And for this one, we just have to simplify it. Log to the base 2, 15, plus log to the base 2 of 7. Okay, for this one, you just multiply the inside, so 15 times 7, so that just equals log to the base 2 of 105. Log to the base 4 of 25 minus log to the base 4 of 1 over 5. That becomes log to the base 4 of 25 divided by 1/5, which is the same as log 4, the same as 25 times 5. So the answer is log to the base 4, 125. And let's look at another question. A third times log to the base 4 of 27 minus 5 times log to the base 4 of 2. So we know that we can put this at 1/3 on top of this one, so it becomes that. And then we can put the 5 on top of the 2 as a power. So log to the base 4 of 2 to the 5. So this third is just a cube root, so log to the base 4. Cube root of 27 is 3. Minus log to the base 4. 2 to the power of 5 is 32. And then that becomes log to the base 4, 3 over 32. And another question, 3 times log to the base 7 of x plus a half log to the 7 25x squared. Seven, yeah, we can bring that power up there, so plus log 7 25x squared to the half. So if you square root that 25, that becomes 5. Square root the x squared, it's x. And then we just multiply the inside, so x cubed times 5x. And that just leaves us with log to the base 7, 5 times x to the power of 4. And another one, log to the base 9, 35 plus 1. So we know that 1 can be turned into a log base 9 of 9, because that is 1. So yep, this can be log 9, 35 times 9, that is 350. And this last question, half plus 3 times log base 10 x squared. like this same question, this half can be turned into log same base 10 to the power of half plus log base 10 x to the 2 times 3, because you can bring that power, so that becomes log base 10 square root of 10 plus log base 10 x to the power of 6. And that simplifies down to log to the base 9 square root of 10 x to the power of 6.